try to see if we can give you some more footage of what the sea is doing.
Okay, so I tried to open the door and the breeze nearly took it off. So the driver is going around to open it for us.
I want to put on your jacket.
The rain will come down. Turn around.
Alright, we can't come out, the rain is coming down. So we're showing you from the window a quick view. This is behind the prison at Rae Town. We came out here yesterday, so you can go back and look at yesterday's video and then you can compare what happened yesterday to what the ocean looks like right now. So we can only show you a front view from inside the vehicle. Swipe off this camera. Alright, and the skies are pretty dark, of course, and we're headed to the waterfront. Not sure if we'll be able to come out and show you what is happening. Alright, so on the side of the road here we can see that the water from the ocean is already beating over the wall. Not sure if we quite caught that, but the water is beating over the wall right there. All right, rushing outside for a moment to show you. All right, can I open the door waiting at the driver to open it because the breeze out to take it off. Can you see?